What's up, guys? Cody Gertz here. Welcome to another video. Me and Milo are going to come to you today. We're going to talk about how to create a stunning website without Wix. You guys have seen that ad. I know you have. Wix has this ad running right now, and he's like, let me show you how to create a stunning website with Wix. And he takes his glasses off, okay? But today we're going to do it without Wix, okay? I've actually built my own personal branded website on WordPress, okay? And I use a professional plugin called eStage, okay? We're going to get to that here in just a second. But having your own personal branded website is very, very important, okay? And you guys came across this video because you searched how to create a stunning website. You're already looking to create a stunning website, and I want to show you how the easiest way possible, okay? So first, when we get started, we're going to need a few things. I've written down here. Number one thing we're going to need is a web hosting service, okay? This is going to make our site fast. We're going to get our own IP address, means all of our images will load, they'll be optimized, everything will be loading fast, okay? It's like, I think the data on this is like 80% of slow loading websites get clicked off of. Because people just don't have patience anymore, okay? So we need a web hosting service. I'm going to show you the one that I use for my personal site today, okay? We're going to need a domain name and a private email. Now, these normally go together, okay? I have my domain name through Namecheap. We're going to go over that too. And then I also have my private email through Namecheap as well, okay? And then a WordPress professional plugin called eStage. We're going to talk about that too. And then you need professional photos of you or your brand. So whatever it is that you're selling, or if it's your own brand or you as a personal brand, then you need some professional photos of you. When you're creating your own personal website, it's really just to set yourself apart from everyone else in your space. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you need a personal branded website to set yourself apart from the others, okay? If you're a health and fitness coach, you need a personal branded website to set yourself from the others. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's go ahead and go over these. A web hosting service, okay? I use Bluehost. Bluehost has been around for a very long time, a very well-known company, and also they integrate with WordPress very, very well. As you can see here, it's a one-click WordPress install, so you don't need to, go to WordPress and then try to, manually install a web hosting server. All you guys have to do is go into Bluehost and create your Bluehost account, and you can simply log into WordPress. And I'm actually going to do it right here in front of you, okay? Super cheap. $2.95 a month to get started. I paid for it annually. It was like 47 bucks or something super cheap. Okay, you guys should be able to afford it. I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. By the way, if you don't know, my personal branded website is codyg.tv, so check that out whenever you guys get a chance. So once you create your account in Bluehost, okay, you set up your account, and then you're automatically going to you're going to load your Namecheap domain into your WordPress or into your Bluehost account, okay? And it's actually going to open a WordPress site for you, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and log into WordPress so that way we can see the process here. We'll move on to Namecheap here in just a second, okay? But this is the back dashboard of WordPress. This is essentially your back office. This is where you will be building your entire website here, okay? Now, this is the professional plugin called eStage. Okay, we're going to be talking about that here in just a second, okay? So what have we covered so far? We've covered web hosting service. Let's go ahead and get into the domain name and private email, okay? So we're going to go here, namecheap.com. Okay, it's very simple. Let's say you want a domain name called, this is going to be your URL, by the way, where you're going to lead everybody to, okay? Let's say you wanted a domain name called Health Geek, okay, or something. Maybe you have a health and fitness product, okay? So we go to one that's relatively cheap that you can afford, healthgeek.life. Perfect. We're just going to add this to cart. This is just for example, okay? Now, when you guys choose your domain name, what you're going to do is when you hit View Cart, you're going to scroll down, and you see where it says get 2 months of free private email. Okay, you're going to add that to your cart, and what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to open a separate email account. Okay, 2 reasons why this is important. Number one, it looks way more professional than an @Gmail account or an @Yahoo account or whatever your @account is. You want it to be, support at your domain name, okay? help at your domain name, info at your domain name. Okay, so that's one benefit of having a personal email account, or two benefits, I'm sorry, of having a personal private email account. Okay, the second benefit of having a private email account is that it actually delivers better inside of your autoresponder. Okay, so if you know what that is, an autoresponder is a tool, a business tool that collects email leads. Okay, it puts it into one big list of yours or multiple lists, and you get to send out mass emails to them. Okay, so when you have an @Gmail account or @Yahoo account hooked up to an autoresponder, it will over 90% of your emails will go to a spam box instead of an inbox. Okay, that is bad. You don't want that. Okay, what you do want is you want to set it up with a private email account. Okay, so like I said, info at your domain. Okay, then when you're setting that up in your autoresponder, it's actually going to your delivery rates will be through the roof. Okay, make sure you have a private email account when you're sending out emails in your autoresponder. Okay, so what have we covered? We've covered a web hosting service, which was Bluehost. Okay, Bluehost, and then a domain name, which is Namecheap. Okay, and also a private email, which we also got through Namecheap. Okay, now WordPress professional plugin called eStage. Okay, let me get to this real quick. On my website, codyg.tv, I want you guys to go to the products page. Okay, and in my products page, there is a product called eStage Web System. Okay, now what this system is, it's like I said, it's a WordPress plugin. It makes it super easy to use. Okay, this web system comes with a 60-day training program that's going to teach you how to set up your own personal branded website. Okay, so if you guys want more details on how I created this site that you're looking at right here, just simply go to my products page, click here for more details, enter your email, and the info will be sent straight to you. Okay, if I was going to go over the eStage web system in this video, it would be probably about an hour long. Okay, but no worries, you won't be left alone when you check out eStage. Like I said, there's a 60-day training program that's going to lead you through how to set up your personal branded website. Okay, and let's see, that's called eStage. Okay, so you can check that out at codyg.tv/products. Okay, products. And then you need professional photos of you or your brand. This last one's pretty self-explanatory, okay, guys? So all the photos that you see here in my site, my girlfriend actually took this with my camera, okay? I have a decent camera. I found it on Facebook Marketplace for like $400, 500 bucks. It was a good camera. It's a nice digital camera, and what we did is we just went to a couple local hotels, a couple attractive spots in our town, and we took some pretty neat photos, you know, professional looking photos. Now, like I said, when you're creating your website, you want this to set you apart from everyone else in your space. That is the whole point of a personal branded website, okay? This is your home on the internet. This is where you're going to send people, you know, when they ask you for information or want to know more about you, okay? When you invite someone to your home, you know, your physical home where you live, you want it to look nice, right? Everyone's home is going to be different. My home is going to be different from yours. I love the look of this eStage builder. It just looks so professional. The images load fast. I mean, look at this. Like the images, the page loads fast. Each page looks good. It's laid out easily. The videos are so like handheld to go through this. I tell you what, check out eStage Web System. It's probably the most professional looking plugin I've seen on WordPress yet. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. Remember these 5 little tips that I have for you. Okay? You need to have a web hosting service. We talked about Bluehost today. You need to have a domain name and a private email. We got ours on Namecheap today. And create your professional plugin on WordPress using eStage. You can check that out on my website at codyg.tv/products. Okay, and then don't forget the very last thing, professional photos of you or your brand. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you got some good value from it, give me a big thumbs up. And like I said, I'll actually put this link below this video in the description so you can check out eStage right away. Okay? Thanks for watching. Give me a big subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Peace out.